Like terms are the expressions which have the same literal factors. In this case, I have 4x plus 5x. Both of them are like terms because they have the same literal factor, x, the same variable. So I can add them up. 4x plus 5x is equal 9x. This is the solution to this problem. Now, please notice that I have 8y minus 2y. These two terms are like terms. Why? Because I have the same variable next to the numbers. So I have 8y minus 2y is equal 6y. These two terms are also like terms. Why? Because I have a variable next to both numbers, which is a. That's why it makes these two terms like terms. 12 plus 4 is equal 16a.